In today's class, we will be learning the topic, minor political parties. United Middle Belt Congress, UMBC. The United Middle Belt Congress was founded in 1955 under the leadership of late J.S. Tarka. The party concentrated its political activities in the Middle Belt and demanded for the creation of a Middle Belt region out of the Northern region. Northern Element Progressive Union, NEPU. The Northern Element Progressive Union was formed in August 1950 under the leadership of late Malam Aminu Kano. The political party was both radical and democratic. Political parties in the Second Republic. The National Party of Nigeria (NPN). The NPN was officially launched in September 1978 in Lagos after the lifting of ban on party politics. The leaders included Alhaji Aliyu Makama Bida, Ali Manguno, Shushagari, Adamu Saroma, Adisa Akinloy, the party's chairman, etc. Unity Party of Nigeria, UPN. It was the UPN that emerged as the first political association after the ban on political activities was lifted by the military government. Chief Obafemi Awolowo was the founder and leader of UPN. Other prominent personalities of the party included Chief Adekunle Ajasin, Alhaji Lateef Yakande, Chief Bola Ige, Chief Bisiona Banjo, Professor Ambrose Ali, etc. Chief Obafemi Awolowo was the presidential candidate of the party. Majority of the members of UPN belonged to the First Republic Action Group. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.